Today I'm going to do one glamorous natural makeup look and two different outfits, but the makeup will go with both. Hi guys, I've come for a little getaway with my dogs. They're roaming around here, so sometimes the video can be noisy. I'm just going to do a very natural makeup look because I think the light is amazing, so I thought might as well take advantage of that. And natural in the sense I'm going to make the skin work. I'm going to use some liquid foundation. It's going to be full coverage yet natural, because when you do a good natural makeup, the skin must look flawless. I'm going to first moisturize my face with the Ashwagandha Bounce by 82E. This is not sponsored, but I love their products. Other than a night cream, which is from Charlotte Tilbury, my whole skin routine is by 82E. Just take some of this cream, continuously apply it on my face. I've already done that once with my shower, but the more the merrier. Now a sunscreen is a must. I love this. This is the Turmeric Shield by 82E. It's light, you can easily do makeup on it and just keep it in your purse and reapply it whenever you want. So I'm going to first do my base. For that I'm going to start with the concealer. I'm going to mix two shades because I've got a bit of dark circles because I've not been sleeping much. Sometimes you keep changing the shade based on the state around your eyes. I'm going to go in with these two concealers. This is the MAC Studio Fix 24 Hours Smooth Wear Concealer. I'm going to mix the NW35 and NC42. I'm going to just use it on the spots where I feel I need it. I'm going to go in with the paler color. I sometimes like using my concealer first and then using my foundation. It's really up to you. Some people prefer doing it the other way around. There's no hard and fast rule. Whatever works is whatever works for you. I'm using the PAC 219 concealer brush. Now I'm going to take the Studio Radiance, which is a dewy foundation by MAC, and my shade is NC37. I'm going to take really little and then apply more if required. Dodo, sit. Dodo, sit down. Dodo. Dodo, sit. Dodo, don't be naughty. Dodo. Thank you. Just make sure you blend it all well. Now I'm going to just take some powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder under my eyes. That's the basic baking I do. I don't like a layer looking like ash around my eyes, especially for natural looking makeup. Now I'm going to contour. This is the Fenty Beauty Mocha contour stick. I really like them. So I'm going to just very mild. Some on your temple, some on your jawline. Blends pretty easy, which I really like. So my temple, whatever's left on my brush, my jawline. I really don't like making a very sharp contour for daily makeup on my nose, so I'm gonna just do it very lightly, just to create a very light shadow. And then I'm using this is actually an eye brush, but it's a color bar brush, which is soft and more precise. We'll do some eye makeup first. Because it's natural makeup, it's going to be like just literally almost contouring my eyes. So I'm going to take my Studio Fix and just mattify the top of my eyes so that my eyeshadow glides on easily. So I'm using one of my favorite transition shades called Texture by MAC, and I'm using the PAC 217 brush. Here I'm just defining my crease. If you have hooded eyes, just go further up. A little onto the lower lash line as well. This just contours the eye, just brings the socket out, brings the features out. Now I'm going to take a pale shimmery shade for my upper lid, the center part. You have to make it pop. It's called All That Glitters by MAC, and this is the PAC 341 brush. It's a nice flat brush for such application. Just dab it here. Though it's a natural makeup, a little bit of this shine adds a bit of glam. You can also dab this on with your finger. I'm just using a brush today. Now I'm going to take a dark brown eyeshadow, Morphe M431. I'm going to take a brown. Just take any brown eyeshadow. I'm taking this dark brown. I'm going to mildly line the top of my eyes just to give my mascara a base. Make small strokes and just bring it in, instead of going once or in one go. Take less product and then take more if you need to. Small strokes, less product, bring it towards the inside. Eyes aligned. Now whatever's left on your brush, whatever's left, I'm not going to take any product. Just shade a little bit to the outside. So your eyes are defined, but it's not harsh, it's not just out there, it's natural, it kind of flows into your features. Now let's do eyebrows. I'm going to just set my eyebrows with a gel so it stays in place. I'm going to curl my lashes and go in for the mascara. I'm going to use the Huda Legit lashes. First the volume side. Now the curl in the inside. This is quite a dramatic mascara, but I like it. So my eye makeup is done. I'm going to just touch up my under eyes and stuff. I'm going to just use a little powder in certain places. Fill out your lips with a nude lip liner. I do like doing that because it gives you even surface to work on. Then I'm taking my favorite lip liner, which is Plum by MAC. And then I'm going to use one of my favorite lipsticks. My favorite nude lipstick, Color Bar, Matte Me As I Am, Stunt 006. And I'm going to add a little lip gloss. I love this shade. This is Sweet Mouth by Fenty Beauty. Just adds a beautiful dimension to the lipstick. Now we'll go in with some blush. We'll just dab it on with my finger. Always apply a little and then you increase it as in when you need it. Put too much, it's tougher to remove. This is the Soft and Gentle by MAC. I like this highlighter. Just a little bit. Definitely adds a little glam. On the tip of your nose and some on the temple. This is my natural makeup. I'm going to take some pictures in daylight. I'm going to dry my hair and I hope you like it.